Welcome back. In this slide or this little video, we will examine a plan or develop a plan for you to determine areas underneath the standard normal distribution curve. Now, finding areas using z-score boundaries is a great skill, and you need this skill to make sense out of what we're going to do when we move forward and we talk about the probability that an event will occur or that it will not occur. The following steps should help as you lay this plan out. First of all, draw a picture of the bell curve. Visual representation is a great aid as you determine these areas under the curve. Label the values that are provided, determine the area that you are asked to identify, and formulate a plan for finding the area. Perform the calculations and follow the plan, and all will be well. 5 steps. Now, I'm going to do some problems using these 5 steps. Here's the problem. Find the area under the curve between a z-score of negative 1.45 and 1.89, or the probability that negative 1.5 is less than z is less than 1.89. So the first thing we do is we draw a picture of the bell curve. We've done that. Label the values. Here are the values. Negative 1.45 and 1.89. Now, determine the area that you're asked to identify. We want to find the areas beneath this. So, in order to do that, what does the table give us? That's what we're going to find. The table gives us this area, and the table gives us this area. So, obviously, our plan is going to be this area minus this area. That should give us what is left, and we can perform the calculations. The first thing we look for is negative 0.89, and we find that that's 0.9706. The next thing we look for is negative 0.45, which is 0.0735. We subtract the 2, and lo and behold, we have the area, which is 0.8971 or 89.71%. Look at how we drew the bell curve. Look at how I identified the boundaries that we were asked to use. Then I said, well, the table gives me this, and the table gives me this, and I formulated a plan that this area is this amount minus this amount. Really, it's not that hard. You just have to go in steps, not try to grasp it all in one vision, go in steps and arrive at the answer that you're looking for. The probability that for z greater than 1.23, draw the picture of the bell curve. Label the values that are provided. Z equals 1.23. We're looking for this area there, the area to the right of 1.23. What does the table give us? Well, it gives us the area to the left. So what we would do to get that is we would use 1 minus this amount, because the area under the curve is 1. 1 minus that amount should give us the solution. We look at the table. 1.23 is area of 0.8907. So 1 minus 0.8907 gives us 0.1093, so 10.93% of the area under the curve lies to the right of a z-score of 1.23. Now, finding areas under the standard normal distribution requires a carefully laid out plan, and again, the following steps should be helpful. Draw a picture of the bell curve. I've been known to get so emphatic about drawing the picture for those that want to do it that I would say, draw the stinking picture. Well, draw the stinking picture. Draw the picture of the bell curve. Label the values that are provided. Determine the areas that you're asked to identify. Look at what the curve gives you and formulate a plan. Perform the calculations, and you're there. 5 steps, and you've got that down. Well, I want you to keep climbing the ladder. You've got this, my friend. You're almost there. You're going to walk and talk and fold your napkin right. This isn't too bad. We're going to make it. Good luck. You've done well to come so far.